Come on, Muffy, let's have a kitchen break. Let's see what's inside.
Wow, so many things.
Can you see what I
know. Hey, I think I need that one. Can you help me with that one? I can't reach it.
Hey, what's that? You're messing my kitchen?
Hello, welcome to the Guinness Kitchen!
Okay, welcome to the Guinness Kitchen, and today we are making breakfast bread.
Wow, it's our turn now. Wow, look at all these ingredients. Wow, so exciting.
Look at all of these. Muffy, what do we have?
Well, first we have this almond,
Cranberries.
this brown flaxseed, oatmeal, and raisins, my favorite.
Alright, so a bread flour plus an almond flour.
Exciting.
And then of course we're gonna add salt, salted butter, of course the maple syrup.
Wow, so exciting. Without further ado, I think we need to start baking now.
Yep.
Let's bake.
Let's do it all together. Come on guys. Let's do this together.
Yeah, so here we have cups of bread flour. And then we're going to add almond flour, one and a third fourth.
3/4.
Yep. Okay.
Go.
Yep, full. Woohoo! Ow. How about you add all the seeds?
Alright.
Flax seeds.
Woo!
2 tablespoons of almonds.
Hey, this is my video! Move up.
But we're almost done. But like, can we just bake together?
Right.
I mean, like, we're helping you with the half of the process already.
Because it's gonna be more fun.
Love, how is this? Invaders in my kitchen.
Come on, Carla, say yes.
We're helping.
Woohoo.
What do you think, guys?
Say yes, say yes.
Okay, let's do this together.
Okay, so we're finishing up here. 2 tablespoons of fruit, 50 grams of cranberry. Woohoo! All the raisins.
Yeah, Muffy's favorite.
Woohoo!
Half tablespoon of salt.
All right.
3 tablespoon of yeast.
Right, so that makes it 3/4.
Now we put in 1.5 cup of water.
Go, chef. Enough?
Yep.
No?
1.5 cup.
There we have a crater.
Yeah. Goodness.
1 tablespoon of butter.
So 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Ooh, lovely. Look at that.
Can we use like honey, chef, or it must be maple syrup?
If you can mix it with your spatula, that is the best texture. Friends, whenever you bake, feel free to change and tweak every batch of your dough to make your baking better each time you bake.
That's true.
Can I borrow?
Yeah.
Ingredients.
It's okay. Just leave it there.
Okay.
You'll need it in the table.
Okay, chef. Woohoo! Oh.
Okay, get a bowl and put oil.
I'm trying to keep
Spread
all
out the
the.
oil on
Yeah.
the bowl.
Why?
When the dough rises,
Mhm.
it will not stick on the. Oh, this is nice. So try to roll it like this. So put it here. Okay, friends, see you in 1 hour until it rises. Bye!
Hi guys, welcome back.
Yay! We're excited. After 60 to 90 minutes,
Yeah,
It's
this is
time.
how it's gonna look like. Ooh.
I think, wow, it's freezing.
Yeah.
Right?
Ready for the punch?
Yep.
Go ahead, Muffy.
What do we do after this?
Okay, so you floured the table.
Yeah. Because she's an expert to this.
Wow.
Look at that.
Better texture, right?
Right.
Nice.
And it really smells so good.
I know the smell. What do we do now? Okay.
Make a ball. We're gonna cut it into half
Why?
because we want 2 portions of that to half. I'll do the other part and I'll let you do the other part. So we just need this a little bit. And then,
You make a bowl again or not?
yeah, make a ball. And this time we prepared a pan over here and we will try to fit it in there. So we will make an oval shape and
Right.
just put it in there. I'm not a chef.
Uh-huh.
I'm still a chef though. So yeah, please put olive oil on my hand a little bit, around 1 tablespoon. We will coat the bread with olive oil so it will be crunchy outside.
Okay.
And put it there and let it rise. Next one. Or wait for it to double in size and it's done. So see you later.
Irma, come! After
Together?
Yeah, 1 hour or so,
hour,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So now 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Woo! It's rising, and it's time for us to cook it. Not cook it, cut it.
Let me show
Okay.
you. So
Give us
just
the
cut it
example.
like this. Bam! And then
Oh, I see. Oh, it's fun. This one? Look at
Yep.
this.
nice. Yeah, did it honor?
Ah,
Here we
you're
go.
ready.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Open it. Alright. Careful.
Hot. Of course.
Okay, we'll be back after 35 minutes. Bye.
Let's just try to smell it first.
Ooh. Smells like heaven.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm.
So let's take it.
It should rest for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll be back in 5 minutes.
Woo! Oops. Wow, look at our bread on the pan. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah.
So
Good. Oh, I'm hungry.
yeah.
I can't wait to try. Oops. We cannot just try it. We
Yeah.
need to serve it to the Mrs. Dungeness.
Yes, the queen
Mhm.
of the house. So,
okay, I'm going to take the bread and try to cut it while
Yes.
you do the plating.
Slice
I'm
it
so excited.
and- yeah.
Wow.
Half an inch. Beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's
So-
like, crunchy on the outside, but I think it's very moist and chewy in the inside. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, because
It's
we-
crusty. It's because of the
because
egg.
of the olive oil.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the cranberries, raisins, almonds.
How
Oh,
special
my
is
goodness.
that?
Okay, wow.
Ooh,
Wow.
beautiful.
So we.
Let's serve it.
Yep. Do you have fork or we use hands?
No, use hands, of course.
Are you
This is the
excited?
final stage.
Whoa. So excited.
So Carla's going to taste test our. You
All together.
After you.
Yeah, after Miss.
First bite. Dun-dun-dun.
Ooh. Ooh.
off.
Yeah.
Wait.
So, what are we gonna do? Can we do this without Jason?
Do I look? No need, right? It's okay. Wow, the bread looks so ready.
Yeah, and it looks lovely. It's beautiful. It's perfect. And
Again, wait. Take again. Look here.
Okay.
Ready? Thank you, everyone. Thank you for my invaders. Thank you for Miss
Muffy.
forgot our name?
and
Miss Irma.
pan it to them again.
Go. Oh.